Welcome to Nua. I'll be your therapist today. Please come inside and have a seat.
Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I went to the salon for some much needed self-care. I did Brazilian wax. That's what I did first, and then here you can see that I also waxed my underarm.
Going to apply the wax. We'll go half, take half, so that it won't be as painful.
Okay.
For you.
I had a total of 4 treatments done. First, I did the Brazilian wax, then the under armpit wax, and I also waxed my eyebrows. And finally, I did a 60-minute facial.
And then I'll have a look at your skin when it's clean. And then I'll decide what to use for your second cleanse. And then we'll decide we'll plan your facial. Okay. Is that alright?
Yes, okay.
What would you say your skin type is? Does it get oily during the day?
It used to be dry,
Just be dry.
but now I think it's maybe a little oily.
A little oily, just on the T-zone.
Yeah, but not as much.
Okay. To clean your skin better and penetrate into the pores and spread it out.
I am definitely gonna take better care of my skin, especially because of the fact that I have to wear the mask and it's now summer here in Japan, so it's extremely humid.
just put this serum and the mask on your face.
So at the end of the treatment, she gave me a mini facial massage as well as a shoulder massage. So I thought that was very generous of her. The overall experience was pretty good. I definitely plan on going back to this place in the very near future. As I said earlier in the video, I really plan on taking better care of my skin, especially due to the fact that we have to be wearing the mask. So I want to have flawless skin.
So I have to turn the light off now.
This is the name of the salon that I went to. I got this brochure from them. They're currently having a summer campaign, so if you're into Japan, you can definitely check it out. So these are the prices. They're located in Omotesando, that's in Tokyo. I also got my lashes done. I'm gonna be leaving the link to this place in the description box below, but I think I did a video about eyelashes done in Japan. If I find that video, I'm gonna link it in the description box as well. Anyways guys, this is the end of the video. I want to thank you so much for watching the entire video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I appreciate you. Take care.